So, can I ask one person per group? Mari. Yes, Mari.
Sorry.
Let's ang perimeter. Now let's go on to another lesson, which is area. So perimeter daw is sum of the sides of the polygon. Add all, diba? Now in area, ang area daw is the product of the length and width to square. All square, rectangle, and square and rectangle. Again, what is this area? It's the product of the length and width of the square, rectangle,
Hello.
square and rectangle.
Oh.
So,
MM.
ang method is